Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome to set number 5 of the CFAT practice test questions with answers in problem solving. In today's video, I'm going to solve 5 problem solving questions. And before I start, I'd like you to know that there is an available free CFAT practice test from armytest.com, and I'll put the link in the description below. So if you click the link, this is what will show up in that link. It will show armytest.com, and click the free test, and you can use that to practice on CFAT. So I'll go back to the video. Okay, so starting with number 1, find the missing number in the series. So here is the series: 1, 112, 16, sorry, 1, 1 half, 16, blank, 1 over 120. So the choices are there, but the correct answer is 1/24. Okay, and I'll show you the solution. So the key to the solution is to multiply the denominator by 1 more than the previous one. So I'll go up to show you the series again. There it is. And the denominator for the first number is 1. We'll multiply by 1. It's equal to 1. So the denominator for the second number in the series is 2. Then we multiply by 2. We got 2. Then we continue on. Then 2 we multiply by 3. We get 6. And then 6 multiplied by 4. We get 24. Then 24 we multiply by 5. We get 120. So the answer is 24. And then we put 1 over 24. So that's why B is the answer. Okay, number 2. In a certain calculus test, 8 students failed. If the total of the students is 50, what is the success rate? So pretty straightforward. The correct answer is 84%. And here is the solution. Step number 1 is to calculate how many students passed. So we were given the total number of students, which is 50, and there are 8 failures. So we calculate the number of students that passed. 50 minus 8, we get 42. So then the step number 2 is to calculate the percent of the students that passed. So percent passed is equal to 42 divided by 50. We multiply the product, or we multiply the result with 100, and we get 0.84 times 100 is equal to 84%. Okay. Number 3. What is the answer to the following equation? So 200 times 60 minus 0.5 times 12,000 plus 120 divided by 12. Here are your choices, and the correct answer is letter D, 6010. So solution. Using BEDMAS as the rule for the sequence of operations, we have 3 groups as shown by the parentheses. So here are the the three groups are 200 times 60. Then the second group is zero point 0.5 times 12,000. And the third group is 120 divided by 12. And now all we have to do is to continue the operation from left to right. 200 times 60 is equal to 12,000. And then the second on the parentheses is zero point 0.5 times 12,000 is equal to 6,000. The third on the parentheses is 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10. So then we got 12,000 minus 6,000 plus 10. We get 6,000 plus 10, and then 6,010 is the final answer. Okay, number 4. Here we got age problem that is so practical in our daily lives. Harry is 1 year older than his wife Jane, who is 5 times older than their daughter Lauren. If the sum of the ages of Harry, Jane, and Lauren is 111, how old is Lauren? So just by reading the question, we know that Lauren should have the uh, smallest age because she is the child. Here are the choices, and the correct answer is 10. So solution, we let x as the age of Lauren, and then age of Jane is 5x because we were given as Jane, who is 5 times older than their daughter. And then 5x plus 1 is equal to the age of Harry, because we're also given that Harry is 1 year older than his wife Jane. Okay, so then we were given the sum of their ages, which is 111. So then we come up with this equation here. X plus 5x plus quantity of 5x plus 1 is equal to 111. So all that we're doing here is we are adding up the uh, the individual ages of the three people. So then we got 6x plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 111. So we group the ones with x on the left side, and we get 11x, and then we transfer 1 on the right side, so we get 111 minus 1. So 11x is equal to 110. X is equal to 110 divided by 11, and then we solve for x is equal to 10. Okay, so 10 is the age of Lauren. Number 5. Last but not the least question. Rolly has fully charged his battery-powered chainsaw to a full charge level of 40. In the morning, he used it to cut trees and the battery level was down to 5.8. In the afternoon, he used it again until the battery level was 1/5 of the level in the morning. What is the final battery charge level? Here are your choices, and the correct answer is 5. Okay, so we get the solution here. We were given a full charge level of 40. And then we were given in the morning, he got down the level to 5.8. And then in the afternoon, he got down the level to 1/5 of the level in the morning. So we start first by calculating the level in the morning after he used it. So we get 40 times 5.8. We get 200 divided by 8 is equal to 25. So that's the charge level in the morning. Then now we solve for the charge level in the afternoon. We get 25, which is the level in the morning, times 1/5 as we are given. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So letter C. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. And like I said, if you're interested to a free CFAT practice test, I'll put a link in the description of the video, and here is the website when you click the link. All right, so cheers and have a good one. Take care.